OPPO Malaysia announced that they'll be bringing the new OPPO Reno6 series smartphone very soon, the OPPO Reno6 and the OPPO Reno6Z. On my hand here is the new OPPO Reno6Z 5G. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast With Episode 22. Fast With series provides short, simple and informative text review covered within 3 to 4 minutes. So more info, less time wasted. Let's start with the unboxings. The box color theme does look resembling with the OnePlus Nord series smartphone. Inside this box is another black box that kept a soft TPU case, SIM injector pin and documents. Next is the OPPO Reno6Z 5G, OPPO 30W fast charger, USB-A to C cables and an earphone. The color that I've gotten is Aurora that has a metallic kind of materials on the back cover. It reflects different colors at different angles and fingerprint smudge resistant. It uses an aluminium chassis between the front glass and the rear cover. On the right side is the power buttons, while on the left are the volume rockers and SIM card slot. It features a dual 5G SIMs and a dedicated micro SD card slot. At the bottom you will find a 3.5mm audio ports, microphone, USB-C port and a single down-firing speaker. Display-wise, it sports a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate, featuring an in-display optical fingerprint scanner which is fast and accurate. It's a flat display with noticeable bezels and a pretty obvious chin. The display is bright with great color contrast like any other AMOLED panel does, and it also supports white wines L1 but no HDR capability. Coming to the internals, it has the exact hardware with the OPPO Reno5Z 5G, but it was not released here in Malaysia. Sporting a MediaTek Dimensity 800U with an integrated 5G modems, a 4310mAh battery with the support of 30W fast charging, the charger can top up from 0 to 100% in less than 55 minutes. The Dimensity 800U is an octa-core mid-range processor based on 7nm process. The variants that I gotten is 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. The performance is pretty similar to the Snapdragon 750G but slightly weaker on the graphic performance. Not that you can't game with it, just somehow lower FPS. Here are the synthetic performance results. The OPPO Reno6Z 5G is equipped with triple rear camera setups, a 64MP wide-angle cameras, an 8MP ultra-wides, and a 2MP macro camera. Photo taken from the main camera is pretty good with a lot of details, sharpness, and some depth of field. Things flip when it comes to low lights with obvious noises and artifacts. While on the ultra-wide it's not that sharp with an inconsistent white balance, you'll be the judge of the photo taken by the OPPO Reno6Z 5G. Running on the latest ColorOS 11.1 based on Android 11s, there are quite some bloatware installed. They even have their own app markets that does what Google Play Store do. The ColorOS also features RAM expansion that uses your storage to increase the RAM size. I find the one-hand app access is cleverly designed, and it also features Air Gesture where it allows you to scroll your screen or answer your call without touching your device. Battery life was decent, offer around 6 hours of screen on times, taking the capabilities of mid-range 7nm processor, mostly Wi-Fi connected due to work from home during this test, and 60Hz refresh rate AMOLED panel. The OPPO Reno6Z 5G has a pretty sleek design and trendy looking mid-range smartphone. Although 90Hz and 120Hz refresh rate is a rather new standard even for mid-ranger, which Reno6Z 5G lacking of. A more complete written review will be made available on my website at theairmobile.com. Pricing was not announced when I record these videos. I'll update the official pricings and availability in the description box below. Consider subscribing if you like short text review like this. Thank you for watching, take care and stay safe. I'll see you at the next one.